Hello YouTube. So I'll have to check my records to see how long this thing has been in its current form, but it is way out of whack at the moment. You can tell by looking at the various cell level voltages here. Yeah, so there's definitely a rebalance needed. Um, sure I'll get that done sometime soon here, but I just wanted to give you an update. Today is June the 5th, I think, 2019, and you can see the various cell level voltages: 3.84, 3.84, 4.2, 3.67, 4.1, 4.19, 4.04, all for 27.09. So 27.9 rather. So yeah, this thing is pretty out of whack at the moment, needs rebalancing, and you know, just good to be able to know it at least, so you can do what needs to be done in order to keep your batteries in check somewhat. So yeah, that's going to be that for now. Until next time, keep on rethinking. So tonight I was sitting and thinking, and I came up with a pretty different idea than what I've come up with before. Basically, I'm thinking about these cells, and I see that one of the cells is really low. Basically, they're out of balance. They're, pretty far out of whack. I'd like to get them in better shape as far as their balance is concerned. So what I'm gonna do is use this battery here and charge an individual cell. Now this is going to be kind of a strange experiment, because while I'm discharging that individual cell, I'm actually pulling energy out of the entire pack. I'm going to charge it up to like 4 volts, but especially cell number 4, that's at 3.5 right now. I'm going to try and get it up to 4 volts. See if I can balance these out a little bit. So that's going to be the attempt. Hopefully nothing blows up, and I'll let you know how that goes. Alright, so we have it going here. I have the charger connected to that one cell, and right now it's reading 3.65 volts. Let's see if that change is noted over here. It should be cell 4. That's going up. So it hasn't made any changes yet, but I'll keep an eye on it and see how it goes. But I'm putting in some juice into that cell, and I'll do the same with the other ones as well, and see how it goes over time. But that's my idea for today, so I'll let you know how that turns out. Just trying to get these things a little bit more balanced without disassembling the whole thingamabob right here. So alright, until next time, you just keep on rethinking. It's been going for 1 minute. I'll do updates and let you know how it goes. So at this point, it's been running for 1 hour and 40 minutes, and the entire pack has come down in voltage, but this particular cell has stayed about the same as far as voltage. So it's doing something. So ultimately it will be able to charge up better during the day, more evenly, but it's not necessarily adding voltage like I thought, because like I mentioned, I am using the entire pack as time goes on. So, alright, till until next time, keep on rethinking. So this is how much juice I've put into this fourth layer here. I am at 100 amps at 3.96 volts. That's what it's saying, but it's showing 3.8 here. So there's that, and I'm gonna turn it off now and maybe connect it to another layer because I think that worked out pretty well. So yeah, that's what's happening. And it's been a rainy day, so I didn't get much juice in today, but that's it for that. And it worked out alright. So until next time, keep on rethinking. So this is after I've done a balance charge somewhat on a few of these cells. I'm recharging the other one right now because the sun came out and there's some excess juice happening in the RV, but yeah, you can see they're closer to being balanced than they were before I started, and I'm gonna get them closer still, but this process seems to be working to balance them out for now, so I'll continue to work with this until I get them in balance. Alright, so till next time, keep on rethinking.